If you're looking for a way to motivate your students to communicate a message either through drawing, through their voices, or through written message, then Little Bird Tales might be just the thing for you and your class. After signing up for a Little Bird Tales account, which is free, then you would go to the home page. You can add your students and manage all your classes, including creating lessons. But let's go to how they would actually create a tale. It's set up so that students can either draw a picture using some basic tools that they will find easy. They can includes text. They also can use the gallery that can include pictures as well as past pictures that they've created. Or they can upload something from their pictures as well that they have either taken or you give them a bank or they find on the internet. So that's how they can communicate through a picture. But let's take a look at the feature that I find this platform to be very useful. They are able to record, after they've drawn a picture, they can record a message that goes along with the picture. They can tell a story, they can answer a question. Like, let me change this to favorite book. And I will play. Now, it will not sound as good as it will coming out of your computer, but take a listen.
My favorite book right now is called Escargot. It's a great story about a snail who wishes he could be someone's favorite pet.
All right. All I did was press the record button and record it. I can keep on recording until I am happy. Once I'm happy with that, I need to save it. On the cover, there is no written text, but if I wanted to add a page, which it automatically did, I can add a page, and here I can have the students, then in their favorite book, they could do a picture of characters, and then they can record about it as well as type about it or write about it. Let's go back to my life cycle of plants. So this story, I have more than one page, so it's easier for you to see. Thinking about how to use this, you can have the students discuss their favorite story and then do story elements. You can have them do a science project or research as a presentation for their research, And so let's do, here we can see that, let's go to the second page here. This one has instructions from me on what they're to do, because this is an assignment that I made. It has artwork, and then they would describe what they know about the life cycle by typing it and recording it. Depending on the age of the student, they also could just record it, save it, and then that could be their little bird tale that they create. I hope that you find this easy to use. Students, I think, will have fun creating the pictures as well as the authenticness of using their own voices when they are recording will make this Little Bird Tales something that the students will find fun and engaging to use.